When a cat brings home something for its owner, it is usually something that is dead and mutilated. But one pet owner in New Zealand got a surprise gift from her pet cat after it brought on her doorstep $150 worth of marijuana. The woman called the police when she found that her cat had come home with a bag of weed after bumping into it while it was busy doing whatever it is cats do. Police were as astonished by the find as the owner was, and valued the drugs at $150. Nobody is exactly sure where the weed originated from, nor can anybody work out why the cat decided to bring it home.